Hello, what's up everyone? This is Julien Sauvage again from SAP, and today our Predictive Pearl will focus on big data. I want to show you how we at SAP with our predictive analytics engine can analyze big data sources, build models on very huge, large, wide data sets, and gain instant insight for your business. So let's do that together.
So let's open a predictive model that was built for an online banking company. Here we're predicting a positive response to an email marketing campaign. More precisely, we predict who will likely open the email in the next 7 days. As you can see here, there's 19% of the customers who already opened it in the past, right? While containing a large number of variables, you see over 2,400 here. The model was built in only 24 minutes, so that's not bad. Let's see the predictive power here, 67%, which means that the model is able to predict 67% of the information contained in that data. That's pretty good, but let's see what that means exactly. So if we hit that link, model curves, model graphs, we're going to be able to see that this is the detective curve. If we take 15% of my customers having the highest propensity score, I'm able to detect nearly half, you see 49% of the customers who will open this email in the next 7 days. What's more, the model brings a lot of insight, right? And this really is the aim of the demo. We see here that we stack rank our 2,400 customer attributes here, and we know what's predictive and what's not. Why do people tend to accept this email marketing campaign? You see the top drivers, right, automatically determined among all these variables like past activity, clickstream data, used device, account balances, etc. So the first one here, this one tells us that customers who already opened an email from this bank are likely to open another one in the next 7 days, right? Because the y-axis, the vertical axis, is from low likelihood to high likelihood of opening that email in the next 7 days. Another cool variable here is, where is it again, is iPhone. Here it is. So we can see that if the past emails were opened via an iPhone, then the bank's customers are more likely to accept this marketing campaign next week. Pretty cool. Let's go for a third one. For example, let's go for this one, the recent cities. So this one tells us that the past emails, if they were open in these kind of specific cities, then the customer will be more likely to open our email in the next 7 days. Finally, another last kind of interesting one is the balance checking here. Remember, it's an online bank, so this is telling us, in this case, you see these guys are not so likely to open that email, and this is because they have kind of a negative or even low balance in checking. Net, as you can see, with SAP, we're able to analyze big data sources in a very automated fashion. No need for deep domain expertise. You just build your models on huge dimensions. You can easily debrief the model results, and you can find little nuggets in there. So you can gain rapid insight from lots of variables. And finally, you can anticipate your customer behaviors. That was our Predictive Pearl for today, folks. Thanks for attending.